Introducing the Samsung Galaxy M35. This sleek and powerful smartphone comes with a range of impressive specifications. It features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, a powerful Exynos processor, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery for all-day usage. The phone also boasts a versatile quad-camera setup, including a 64 mAh main camera for stunning photos and videos. The Samsung Galaxy M35 comes with several pros, including long-lasting battery life, a beautiful display, and a reliable performance. The phone also offers expandable storage and a headphone jack for added convenience. However, some users may find the phone to be a bit bulky and heavy compared to other models. In India, the Samsung Galaxy M35 is available at a competitive price, making it an attractive option for those in the market for a new smartphone. With its impressive specifications, pros, and cons, the Samsung Galaxy M35 is a worthy contender in the mid-range smartphone market.